Can you speed up the process of yellow bamboo turning green again?
Hello, Green Thumbs. Today, we're delving into the world of bamboo. Specifically, we'll be addressing a common issue that many bamboo owners face: bamboo turning yellow. And not just that, we'll also discuss how we can speed up the process of getting your yellow bamboo green again. So let's get into it.
Why does bamboo turn yellow?
The first step to fixing a problem is understanding it. Bamboo leaves can turn yellow due to a variety of reasons, including overwatering, underwatering, lack of nutrients, or excessive sunlight exposure. It's important to identify the cause to effectively restore its lush green color.
How to turn yellow bamboo green again?
Now that we know the potential causes, let's talk about the solutions. Remember, the key to a speedy recovery is early detection and intervention. 1. Adjust watering. If overwatering is the cause, reduce the frequency. If underwatering, increase it. Ensure that the bamboo is planted in well-draining soil to avoid waterlogging. 2. Regulate sunlight. If the bamboo is receiving too much sunlight, it might get scorched. Move it to a location with filtered sunlight or partial shade. 3. Supplement nutrients. If your bamboo is suffering from a nutrient deficiency, supplementing it with a balanced plant fertilizer can make a big difference.
Can we speed up the recovery?
Patience is key when it comes to plants. However, you can still do a few things to speed up the recovery process. 1. Prune the yellow leaves. Pruning helps the plant to focus its energy on new growth. But be cautious not to overdo it. 2. Maintain optimal conditions. After addressing the primary issue, make sure to maintain optimal conditions for your bamboo. Regularly check on watering, light, and nutrient levels. 3. Provide a balanced fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer can help to provide the necessary nutrients for quicker growth and recovery. And that's all for today's video on turning yellow bamboo back to green swiftly. We hope you found these tips helpful. With patience, observation, and proper care, your bamboo should be back to its vibrant green color soon. Until next time, keep growing.